Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to guide you through the maze of maintenance acronyms. Whether you're new to the field or just need a refresher, this video is going to be a valuable resource for you. We'll be diving deep into the top 30 most commonly used maintenance acronyms and their definitions, so you can navigate your operations with ease. Let's get started. First up, we have CMMS, which stands for Computerized Maintenance Management Systems. This is a software solution that helps facilities store, organize, and access its maintenance-related data. Next is EAM, or Enterprise Asset Management. EAM systems track assets during their entire life cycle, including acquisition, maintenance, and disposal. Then we have SCADA, which stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. These systems help companies manage plant processes through data systems, graphical user interfaces, and monitoring tools. Moving on to TPM, or Total Productive Maintenance. TPM works to maximize productivity through efficient use of all facilities, space, and assets. Next up is RCM, which stands for Reliability-Centered Maintenance. RCM looks at a facility's required level of maintenance in order to better manage cost, production, and spare parts availability. Then we have RTF, or Run to Failure. RTF refers to those items that simply need to be replaced when they fail, like a light bulb. Next is PM, which stands for Preventive Maintenance. PM is a program designed to perform those tasks that keep assets and machines in good working order. Then we have PDM, or Predictive Maintenance. PDM uses technology such as sensors to monitor assets or equipment on an ongoing basis for potential problems. Next up is CBM, which stands for Condition-Based Maintenance. CBM is a maintenance strategy in which you continuously monitor the condition of your equipment and use that data to plan preventive maintenance. Then we have WO, or Work Order. WOs are forms that specify what maintenance tasks are required. Next is MRO, which stands for Maintenance, Repair, and Overhaul. MRO includes the tests, supplies, and equipment required to keep critical assets up and running. Then we have RCA, or Root Cause Analysis. RCA is the process of analyzing equipment failure events to determine their fundamental causes. Next up is FMEA, which stands for Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. With FMEA, a maintenance team takes inventory of potential failure modes associated with their equipment and other business processes. Then we have FRACAS, or Failure Reporting Analysis and Corrective Action. This is the process of finding trends in existing data that you've collected in the past. Next is PMO, which stands for Planned Maintenance Optimization. PMO is the process of analyzing existing PMs and cutting or adjusting ineffective or inadequate tasks. Then we have FM, or Facilities Management. FM is the large-scale management of a company's physical assets and systems. Next up is PRV, which stands for Plant Replacement Value. PRV is an estimate of how much it would cost to replace all existing assets in a facility while still maintaining the same level of capacity. Then we have OEE, or Overall Equipment Effectiveness. OEE is a composite score based on a plant's availability, operational efficiency, and quality of output. Next is MTR, which stands for Mean Time to Repair. MTR is the average amount of time it takes to repair a piece of equipment when it fails. Then we have MTBF, or Mean Time Between Failures. MTBF is the average amount of time that passes between failure events for a given asset. Next up is MDT, which stands for Mean Downtime. MDT is the average amount of time an asset spends out of operation. Then we have OEM, or Original Equipment Manufacturer. An OEM is a company that makes parts that are marketed or used by other manufacturers. Next is RPN, which stands for Risk Priority Number. A risk priority number is a gauge of how much risk a given asset represents. Then we have LOTO, or Lockout Tag Out. This is the process of shutting off and locking down an asset for repairs or preventive maintenance. Next up is NDT, which stands for Non-Destructive Testing. NDT is any method used to gauge a component's properties without causing damage. Then we have DGA, or Dissolved Gas Analysis. DGA is the analysis of gases present in the insulating oil of transformers. Next is UT, which stands for Ultrasonic Testing. UT is a non-destructive evaluation method that uses a highly sensitive microphone to analyze sound waves coming from an asset. Then we have IR, or Infrared Radiation. Infrared analysis measures infrared radiation to map out heat signatures. Next up is VA, which stands for vibration analysis. VA uses instrumentation to collect readings on vibrations on a given piece of equipment. And finally, we have IoT, or Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a system composed of various devices connected over a network. And that concludes our rundown of the top 30 most commonly used maintenance acronyms. We hope this video has been a valuable resource for you. To recap, we've covered everything from CMMS to IoT, providing you with the definitions and applications of each acronym. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.